Alright guys, this is JOATD back with another video. Here in front of you is a Dixie Narco Pepsi Generation 501R vending machine. This is a Series 2 vending machine with side-by-side selection. As you can see on the bottom right, the selections are from left to right. That's side-by-side selection. Today's video is going to be on coin dump and coin fill mode. The first thing you're going to do is open the machine and locate the control board. You're going to press System Setup Audit right here. You will see HD on the display on the front of the unit. While HD is displayed, you will press selections 1 and 2 at the same time until you see CD displayed on the front of the unit. While in CD mode, you have two options, coin dump and coin fill. Let's start with coin dump. Coin dump allows you to dump coins from your coin mech, nickels, dimes, and quarters. To do so, while in CD mode, you're going to press 1 to dump nickels, 2 to dump dimes, 3 to dump quarters. Now, the numbers are referring to your selections, all right? So, to dump nickels, you're going to press and hold 1. All right? If you want to dump dimes, you're going to press and hold 2. All right? If you want to dump quarters, you're going to press 3. All right, that's how you coin dump. All of the change from the coin dump will be right in the front of the machine. Quarter, dimes, and nickels. While you're performing a coin dump, it's emptying the coins from the tubes from your coin mech. Quarters, nickels, dimes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to empty the entire coin mech and we're going to get ready for coin fill mode. With CD still displayed on the front of the unit, let's go ahead and explain coin fill mode. Coin fill mode is processed through the control board. The control board counts how much money is coming in the unit and how much money is going out the unit. The coins can be loaded through the top of the coin mech, which is here, or through the front of the machine, here. Now, the benefit of coin fill mode is the control board will always know how much money is in the coin mech. Now, let's say you filled up the coin mech, quarters, nickels, dimes, and someone puts in a $5 bill into the front of the machine. They select the soda costs $1. Instead of the machine giving back 16 quarters, it'll give back a specific amount of quarters, nickels, and dimes just to keep the coin tubes level. So it won't just give all quarters. It'll give some quarters, some nickels, some dimes, but it'll still equal up to $4. That's the benefit of coin fill mode. You don't want your machine just to give back quarters or just to give back dimes or nickels. You want it to be smart and keep the coin tubes level so that all of one tube doesn't just go empty. You can fill the coin tubes from the top of the coin mech or from the front of the machine. Let's start out by feeding it some quarters. 25. Another quarter. 50. Let's put 2 nickels in. 55. 60. Let's put 2 dimes in. 70. Another dime. 80. So the machine control board is actually keeping up with how much money is in the machine. Now let's coin dump. Now all the money is in the front of the machine. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill up the whole machine to see how much money will this machine take. I'm going to start the filling process by using the top of the coin mech. Why? Because the hole is bigger at the top. So it'll make it easier for me to drop money in. So the machine is still in CD mode. And what we're going to do is start dropping the quarters into the top of the coin mech. Keep in mind, the total capacity of quarters is 62 quarters, which is $15.50. And there you go, $15.50. That's the quarters. Let's move on to the nickels. This machine will only hold 58 nickels, which is $2.90. And there you go, $18.40 full with nickels and quarters. Let's move on to the dimes. All right, so now let's start inserting the dimes. The total capacity of dimes is 84 dimes, which is $8.40. Let's start inserting the dimes. Now that right there is a full coin mech, $26.80. As you can see, the coin mech is full. You got $15.50 in the quarters, $2.90 in the nickels, $8.40 in the dimes. And that is totally full. This is why coin dump and coin fill is important to your vending machine. It helps keep up with money coming in and out of the unit and money being dispersed to the customer. One thing, when filling up the coin tubes with quarters, nickels, and dimes, make sure that you don't take a break between. Make sure that everything adds up to $26.80 before you take a break. Because if you take a break between the quarters and the nickels too long, it'll reset. So make sure that it adds up to $26.80, then you're done. All you have to do is close the machine, and that's it. All right, guys, this is J.O.A.T.D, and I'm out. All right, guys, if you like this video and would like to see other videos like this, join our community, follow us, and subscribe. J.O.A.T.D, Jack of all trades Dre, fixing a handful of life's numerous problems, one video at a time.